Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're trying to install it and if you don't find XPS viewer over here, in that case you can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy it, type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here. The command is provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now once you hit the enter key, it will start installing XPS.Viewer. So let the installation complete. This process will take some time, and here you can see under optional features, when you type in run box, if you type in optional features over here, it will open optional features. You can go to optional features in Windows settings by going to like system and then scroll down. You will find optional features. Click on view features and here you can see XPS viewer is installing. So when you run this command, it will try to install it and you will see the progress over here also. So let it complete.
Now, once this is 100% complete, you should be able to see here also it's added. So this is how you can install. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.